Welcome to Homework Lib.
So for this problem, you are asked to find the orbit of a satellite that is 375 miles above the Earth. And then they tell you that the radius of the Earth is approximately 4,000 miles. And the fact that they tell us it's approximately 4,000 miles determines how we write our answer. So that's a big thing to understand, is that we're looking at a bunch of different factors when we go into this. And the fact that it says is approximately deals with a bunch of different things. So to find the radius, since we're going to be using this formula for circumference, we're going to take the 4,000 miles and add 375 to it. That's going to get us 4,375 miles. So that's the actual radius that we're going to be dealing with. So we're going to plug that into the circumference formula. So 4,375 times pi times 2. So we can multiply the two numbers together. That gets us 8,750 pi miles. Now, this is where you have to understand that if they're looking for an exact answer, you would use that. However, since we are using an approximation, you want to make sure that you grab a calculator and do 8,750 and times it by pi. So once we do that, we get the answer that you see here on my calculator, 27,488, and we're going to round it to the nearest hundredth, 0.94. So our answer is approximately 27,488.94 miles. Make sure you ask your instructor how they want that answer labeled, if they want you to actually use the pi key, where they want it rounded, because either one of these answers is acceptable depending on what your instructor is looking for. And the last thing I would do is write this in a complete sentence. And I would say the satellite travels approximately 27,488.94 miles in one complete orbit. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.